Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we are going to open this package, the latest purchase that we have made on eBay. This particular item was purchased from the eBay seller with the username Let's Outback. Looking through his recently sold items over the last 3 months, looks like he sells quite a bit of lighters, so it's a possibility that you may be interested in one of his items at some point and need to know what kind of seller he is, whether he packages his items protectively or whether he just throws them in the package and lets it go. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and pull this out of here if we can get the tape off. So far it looks pretty good. Looks secure enough. Okay, so we got that tape cut, and this should come out of here a little bit easier now. And it indeed does appear to be a boxed lighter. This lighter was sold as in like new condition, not new condition. So keep that in mind. There's some, well, maybe the box has been repaired. Looks like there's something kind of gummy on there. But now that I look at it, it looks like at some point in time somebody had put that box back together with some glue. You can see the nice Gulf oil graphic with at least a couple colors of paint, orange and blue. And Rowan Service Station. And I'm not sure what kind of address or phone number that is. It says Walnut 5-Walnut 3-4514. The paint appears to be all still intact on the graphic. Very nice. Very cool. Some scuffs here on the back. Doesn't appear to be any major dents or anything like that. This is a Dundee lighter. I am certain made in Japan. And it does look like this lighter is brand new. There is tension on the file wheel, which could mean that the file wheel is clear. Could mean that somebody else has dealt with the degraded flint, or it could mean that the degraded flint is still in there and that's what's putting the pressure on the file wheel. We will have to see. But all in all, a great looking lighter. Advertising the Rowan Service Station, which I don't have any idea where that would have been located. And like I said previously, I'm not sure if that is an address or phone number there where it says Walnut 34514. Doesn't have a city, town, state, anything like that. And as mentioned before as well, not a perfect lighter, but it is in straight, looks like unused condition. So far so good. The rest of the box looks like it is intact for the most part. Some contamination there from whatever glue was used to hold that box together, but that could or could not have been the seller. That may have been like that when they got it. And here we have the guarantee paperwork for this Dundee lighter. It says this exclusive Dundee lighter is unconditionally guaranteed for life by Dundee. If for any reason, any time, your Dundee lighter is unsatisfactory, you may mail it to Dundee Box 1008, University Station, Des Moines, Iowa, with this slip, and it will be repaired or replaced without, I can't read what that says, repaired or replaced without imprint. Is that what that says? My reading glasses are failing me. And returned to you, postage prepaid, absolutely free of charge. See the other side. Greetings to a matchless friend. To fill, remove fluid cartridge from case and pour fluid into hole in felt protector in bottom of cartridge. To replace flint, unscrew cap in bottom, insert flint and replace cap. Insert flint and replace cap. Replace flint when spark reduces. And then address for returning lighter. So I guess that's where you were supposed to put your address if you sent the lighter in for service or replacement. So a cool old, like I said, I'm sure Japanese made lighter, though it does not specifically say that. And we'll go ahead and open this up real quick and just take a look, see what happens when we pull out the flint spring screw, see if that takes the pressure off of our file wheel or not. If it does not, then we likely have a block tube, which it did remove the pressure, and there's actually a flint in it. So awesome. Doesn't happen to me very often with these old lighters, but this particular lighter doesn't even need to have the flint, the old degraded flint, drilled out of it. So we will put that flint back in there for now. Place the flint screw, flint spring and screw. Appears unstruck, maybe some dust, other debris in there, which we'll get it cleaned on up. And of course this will be listed in our eBay store soon. Don't know if you noticed in those instructions that it said to fuel it through the hole in the pad, which of course is a debate among Zippo enthusiasts whether or not that's what the hole in the Zippo is for. That pad is pretty stiff, but still intact and in good condition. So all in all, I'm very happy with the way that the seller packaged it and described the lighter, and look forward to getting this listed in our eBay store. Until next time.